Fetch AI is a concept that is not clear to a number of crypto investors and traders. Fetch AI is here to provide a stock of amazing features for the digital economy. As a unique, modern initiative, Fetch AI merges artificial intelligence and blockchain to create a web of independent economic agents. Through this network, it is able to perform numerous tasks for its users while minimizing the data acquisition monopoly of major industry players. So let's dive into what is Fetch AI, the things you need to know. Fetch AI is an open access, decentralized machine learning blockchain-based network. In other words, it's a very accessible blockchain-centered web of interaction. Fetch AI was launched with the intention of enhancing the growth and development of the digital economy without human interference. So what AI does is connect devices and services to the Internet of Things, or IoT. However, while it does this top-notch work, it also aids in the engagement of other agents such as people. The network links people, things, and services, allowing for collaboration and data sharing. So how does Fetch AI work? Well, the Fetch AI network relies on three key components. So these three crucial components include autonomous economic agents, the open economic framework, and the Fetch Smart Ledger to build the tools and infrastructure for a smart AI-based autonomous economy. The network as a whole, empowered by machine learning and AI, is made up of these three elements. So let's get started. Number one, autonomous economic agents. Autonomous economic agents represents objectives, services, groups, and people on the network and take action on their behalf. So within the Fetch AI ecosystem, autonomous economic agents are developed as digital citizens with the capacity to learn from past errors, resulting in the provision of more effective solutions and improving system performance, generally through AI. And number two is the open economic framework. The open economic framework refers to the layer of the network that ensures ultimate connectivity and the ability for engagement between autonomous economic agents. The open economic framework keeps the data and information used by agents safe. Interestingly, it is supported by AI, and it also makes sure that agents can fetch information easily and also allows nodes to get token-based rewards for their intermediary roles between the autonomous economic agents and the open economic framework. And the third one is the Fetch Smart Ledger. The Fetch Smart Ledger is a cutting-edge blockchain-based structure that combines a directed acyclic graph, or DAG, with distributed ledger technology. Here, using sharding, all the network transactions are collected and handled. Fetch AI has a native token known as FET, and there are a circulating sum of around 818 million FET currently as of right now. And like Bitcoin and a number of other cryptocurrencies, Fetch AI has a limited supply of tokens. So Fetch AI's intrinsic value is derived from its technological capabilities, use cases, and overall project execution using the tools and functions at hand. FET, the multi-purpose native token of Fetch AI, also contributes to the platform's inherent value. All network actions are unlocked via FET, which is also used to enable and reward node operators. FET serves as the network's primary payment method as well. With the aid of Fetch AI, users can build a decentralized digital economy within a single ledger. Users can develop agents that operate on behalf of individuals, organizations, devices, and services. All these agents are interconnected, have the ability to transact business, and also can interact. So currently Fetch AI is trading at 25 cents. And by the way, if you want to trade with Fetch AI, you can use the link in the description below to get a discount on trading fees on Bybit. Make sure to check that out. Now, currently, like I said, there is 818 million that's currently circulating, so only 24%. So there will be a lot of inflation. While there is going to be a capped supply, there is going to be a lot of inflation because there's going to be a capped max supply at 3.4 billion, which is quite a lot considering there's only 24% in circulation. So there's probably going to be a lot of inflation. So it's something to keep in mind. So looking at the price history of Fetch AI, actually in the past month, there has been a decent rally here coming up from around 242%. And this is probably based on just the rally that's been happening in the altcoin market as a whole, but also the rally of AI. So what do I mean by that? Well, AI with services like ChatGPT have kind of taken over, and they've taken over the internet quite a lot. And as we can see here, just the search term AI on Google Trends has gone up considerably. We can see this has gone up a lot here, actually peaking at around the first 2 weeks of December. And then now it's actually still climbing back up. So could this be just a rally from AI in just search terms like that? And maybe people speculating based off that hype? That's a possibility. Now, if we take a look at the past 5-year trend here, we can see that it's actually down quite a lot. There actually was a wick up to $1.20. I'm not going to count that though. Let's just say if it was from right here at around 90 cents, where it was pretty much peaking at and finding a lot of resistance at, then it's down around 70% from that. Now, disregarding that previous rally that we had here, and that would be down around 90% actually from that. So previously I made a video about the top AI cryptos, and there's a lot of cryptos that are using AI from what I've learned. And also with that, Fetch AI is one of the few that really have it in the name. So while there is a lot of speculation with AI and just the term in itself, it's one of the few that actually has it in the name, which may drive more speculation and also just an increase in price as well with that, no matter what the underlying technology actually has. So considering that it has AI in the name, it's probably a good thing considering that there's a lot of hype around this currently. So if we compare the market cap of Fetch AI to Bitcoin's market cap, one FET would be worth the equivalent of $424, or an upside of 1,628x. Now, let's just say that if it was in the 50th position currently, which is at Frax, and that would be at a $1 billion market capitalization, that would put the potential price of one FET to around $1, so close to $1 here, that's 98 cents, or an upside of 277% from this current price point. And moving along here, if it was that of, for example, another cryptocurrency that uses AI, such as VeChain, then that would put it at a $1.6 billion market cap, or a potential price of $1.56, or an upside of close to 500%. Moving along here even further, if it was that of, for example, Polkadot, that would be $7.3 billion of a market cap, and that would put the potential price to $6.95, or an upside of 26x. Let me know where you guys think Fetch AI is going to go in the comment section down below. I'm eager to hear what you guys have to say about it. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for this one. We'll see you in the next one.